advice that you can give to the lower belt? Was
listen to your teacher or sensei when they teach you. Don't argue. Give respect to them. Be humble to everyone. And lastly, always put karate in your heart.
how do you feel being a black belt?
It rises my confidence. And of course, earning black belt or being a black belt is amazing feelings I had experienced in my whole journey. And my confidence that gave me change.
Okay. Who's next? Okay, Angela Casaran. Oral 15%. Kailangan hindi kailangan pa sa 15 kayong dalawa. So, 7.5 yung pinakamataas ninyo. Na total of 15. Okay, 7.5 yung pinakamataas na score na bigay ninyo. Kung bigay ka ng mataas. Okay, Angela Casaran. Is our aim of karate. And explain.
Aim of karate. The division of the spirit and the practice and humanity.
Okay. How do you understand that the elevation of the spirit and the practice of humility?
Understand the spirit of the humanity is
Yes.
sa larangan ng karate, dapat tayo lahat ay malaging pag-uunawa sa kapwa, respeto, at pagkikisa sa ating kapwa.
Okay. Mamaya ko explain yung iyong karate rin namin later. May kulang ka doon, pero hindi yan ang explanation. Okay, in karate, what is the biggest opponent into yourself and why?
My biggest opponent in myself is lack of confidence. Because every time my GP asks me to this, I always say no because I know myself that I'm not ready to this and I'm not capable for it.
Kung mayroon din yung opponent, yung question sa'yo, magbalik ka na ng mga opponents. Hazel Torres. What is the ultimate aim of karate?
The ultimate aim of karate lies not in victory or defeat.
Hindi ka lang sa tanong paglapian ka namin. Aral ka na. Hindi sa pagmamayamang. Okay, go.
The ultimate aim of karate lies not in victory or defeat, but in the perfections of the character of the participants. Be faithful, endeavor to listen, respect others, and refrain from violent behavior.
Friend from violent video, most of the time na nangyari sa mga nagkakarate. Kailangan talaga yung meron. Okay, last question. How can you apply karate in your life?
Practicing karate can be integrated in various aspects, and these aspects helps me to develop myself as an individual, such as
apply mo yan sa mga ganyan. Apply mo yan. Okay, okay. Okay, Agnes, okay. Next question. What is the literal meaning of sure to time?
The method to become
Literal
literally
meaning.
meaning of time is that minds, ways,
Sure is
show is fine. Show is fine. Time is wait. I no. Show to fine. Show is fine. To is wait and time is house.
okay, house. Sa anong bagay mo mai-compare yung isang sitokano katulad niya? Ngayon, black belt na kayo. Sa anong comparison?
When it comes to performance.
Forget the performance. You are now a black belt. Anong comparison mo doon na yung literal meaning ng shutokan, fine, wave, and house? Saan mo yan ma-compare? Being a black belt, dahil nasa higher na kayo. Kasi totoo lang, ang black belt siya na ay nasa taas. My grandmaster is big belt. Yun yung grandmaster. So, anong ma-compare mo doon? Anong gagawin mo? Ngayon, nasa taas ka na. Okay? Next question. What is the aspect of karate into your daily life?
Only the aspect of karate is physical arts, self-defense,
Balikan natin yung ano nga yung highway house katulad sa okay, ask you. Alam kong galing kasi ibang grupo. Pero natutuwa ako at na-adjust mo yung sarili mo pagdating dito kasi malaking adjustment para sa iyo yun. Okay? Recite karate kid.
All karate should be bow on.
Recite karate kid. I come to you.
I come to you empty hand. I have other weapon.
Yung karate kid din yun. Kasi isang meaning lang yun. Yung grammar lang doon ang nagkatayo kayo. Yung karate kid din yun sa kay Akmal.
I come to you with empty hand. I have no other weapon. But if ever I force to defend myself, my principle and honor is it no matter of life and death, between the right or wrong. I shall show you my weapons with karate in hand.
I come to you my empty hands. Other weapon I have none. But if I give you force to defend myself, my principle and my honor, it is a matter of life and death between right or wrong. I show you my weapon. Karate, my empty hands. Yun yung proper grammar doon. Okay? Hindi ko sinabing mali. Mali doon na. Okay, rules and regulation of dojo etiquette.
All karate should bow, entering and leaving the dojo. All karate student must show courtesy and respect to the instructor and his fellow student. Not allowed to wearing jewelries during training session. Fingernails, toenails must be kept short to prevent injury. Long hair must be tied back during training session. Dojo must pay on time.
Last question. In your point of view, how did karate